I'm a walking miracle. Doctors said I would die after the first brain surgery, but I'm still here. Then they told me before the second surgery that I would end up in a wheelchair. Yet I defied the odds and learned to walk again. You are also a walking miracle. Do you know why? The luckiest egg and the luckiest sperm that day created you. The chance was less than winning the lottery. Your parents won the same lottery, and their parents and theirs. The chance of your sheer existence is tiny, almost negligible, like winning the lottery. Then again, many times in a row. Yet you are here. That means that you are a walking miracle. Your time is limited, scarce, non-refundable. Once it's gone, it's gone. Your death is inevitable. Therefore, I made it my mission to help you build the income that gives you the peace of mind that's reliable, consistent, automated, and passive. This income gives you freedom in time, money, and location. You don't need any technical skills to succeed in this model. It's perfect for beginners, making it accessible for anyone ready to take that leap. You won't have to deal with big inventories like Amazon FBA. Imagine managing endless stock and worrying about sales. It's a burden that many entrepreneurs face. You won't have to deal with angry customers like with dropshipping. Customer service can be overwhelming and stressful for a very low profit margin. And you don't have to post on every social media channel constantly. The constant stress to maintain an online presence can feel like a full-time job, draining your creativity and energy. You don't need to record long courses that people don't finish and that are impossible to sell without a huge audience. Your clients will love you and refer you. I was into creating a course for years, but I realized I have to amplify this business model and make it better. Courses alone, without implementation support and coaching, are hard to sell and challenging to get results for clients. Courses without a community feel lonely. Running a course business requires constant attention and time involvement. It became clear to me that a more sustainable model was needed. Let's talk about how this ties to the anti-agency method. One essential aspect is having a clear structure. This clarity allows you to streamline your entire business like clockwork, not having any emergencies, and focus on what truly matters. Another crucial component is a predictable income. You can rely on this income month after month, giving stability and peace of mind. You're not dependent on the government or current political or economic changes. And it's proactive. You have control over your income, not any algorithm like YouTube or Etsy or the next Google storm. This gives you the freedom to make choices that suit your lifestyle without relying on anyone else. This model is scalable because it is not dependent on your personal time or presence. It can run without you. You have ultimate control over your time. You can switch it on and off whenever you want, giving you the flexibility to live life on your terms. It's essential to have clarity on who you serve. Knowing your target audience allows you to tailor your messages and create meaningful connections. Clarify what your exact transformational offer is. It should be a true transformation, not just a nice-to-have vitamin, but a real prescription, a must-have. Download the free guide to learn more about the anti-agency method. In the previous video, we talked about the opportunity of building an evergreen income from your knowledge, which gives you freedom in time, money, and location. If you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it because it's truly a life-changing opportunity. We live in a golden era now. In the next video, you will learn about the transformative power of simplicity that a proven path can provide on your journey. It can accelerate your success. Before we wrap up, don't forget to download the free guide below this video for actionable strategies. Download the guide below. See you in the next video.